Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best ergonomic office chair with adjustable lumbar support, the TRALT office chair. If you're someone who spends hours at a desk, working from home or in an office environment, this chair may just change the way you sit and work for good. Let's get started by looking at the design. Right out of the box, the TRALT office chair impresses with its sleek and professional black mesh aesthetic. It strikes a nice balance between modern and minimal, and will easily blend into any workspace without looking overly flashy. It's built with a metal frame and a nylon seat material that feels both sturdy and breathable. And even though it weighs in at just 28 pounds, it supports up to 330 pounds, a solid load capacity for a chair in this price range. But let's talk about the key feature: ergonomic support. This chair isn't just about looking good. The design is all about comfort and posture. It's crafted to provide full ergonomic assistance to your head, back, hips, and arms. That means long hours of work or gaming without the usual aches and stiffness. The lumbar support is adjustable, so whether you're tall, short, or somewhere in between, you can position it to fit your spine's natural curve. Now, let's focus on the mesh back and seat. It's not just there for style, it's breathable. That's a game changer in hot climates or during long summer days when leather or foam just doesn't cut it. The mesh keeps you cool, and the spacious seat area ensures you're not cramped, even after hours of sitting. The TRALT chair also features a recline function that lets you tilt the backrest anywhere between 90 and 120 degrees. So whether you're typing away, taking a video call, or leaning back to think, it supports your posture every step of the way. And if you like to stay mobile, the 360-degree swivel base and smooth, silent rolling wheels let you glide around without scratching your floors or waking up the whole house. Underneath, the chair sits on a 5-point metal base that adds durability and keeps everything stable. It feels grounded and secure, even if you shift your weight or lean back suddenly. This chair was clearly built with both comfort and longevity in mind. Let's talk size. The chair measures 28.4 inches deep, 28.4 inches wide, and 38.2 inches tall, a solid medium size that suits most users. It won't eat up too much space in a small room, but it doesn't feel too compact either. Whether you're a remote worker looking to upgrade your home office, a student attending long virtual lectures, or a gamer who needs a reliable seat for marathon sessions, the TRALT office chair ticks a lot of the right boxes. Ergonomic comfort, breathable materials, smooth mobility, and adjustable lumbar support. All at a price point that's very competitive. You're getting a lot of value for your money here. So if you're on the hunt for a reliable, ergonomic chair that won't break the bank, the TRALT office chair might just be your next best purchase. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives into products that make your everyday life better. See you in the next one.